Work on your own cars, one of the most frustrating pieces are these little trim clips. They're everywhere on new cars. You try to use a screwdriver or pliers, you end up messing them up. Takes a long time. So that's why it's really important to get one of these kind of trim tools. This thing is going to be a game changer for me. Look at this. Really good construction. You can see here, ergonomic grip, nice soft, all metal inside with your nice comfort grips. And you can see how the teeth work. Watch. It squeezes on the head and then pushes out. So let's see how it works. So it's these little clips like this. I'm going to show you how ridiculous this is. Just line it up here. Look at it. Boom. Get your teeth set on the inside. See how easy that was? That's ridiculous. Because see how these work is you have to, this pushes this in, but there's a little lock, so you usually have to pry it up. But instead, you just push these teeth here, and then it pushes this open, and you just pull it straight out. It couldn't be any easier. Didn't damage the clip, you can see, totally fine. Game changer. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.